In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide WhatsApp chats with secret code. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open WhatsApp on your device and sign in into your WhatsApp account. Once you're signed in, go ahead and head over to the chat section and click on that specific conversation that you want to hide using a secret code. So go ahead and click on that specific conversation. Now in here, go ahead and click on the username of this individual that you had your conversation with, and you'll be able to find the conversation settings. And here, go ahead and enable chat lock. And to be able to confirm the enabling of this chat lock, you'll need to enter your PIN code to proceed on locking this chat. Once your chat is locked, what you'll need to do is to head over back to the chat section of your page. Scroll up and you'll be able to find the locked chats. Go ahead and click on this locked chats folder. In this section, go ahead and click on the create a secret code button. You'll be able to create a secret code for this locked chat. Once you've created a secret code, this confirmation will pop up at the bottom of your screen that states that your secret code is already set. And that is how you can simply hide WhatsApp messages with a secret code. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.